So a golf ball leaves the ground with a speed of 30 meters per second at an angle 30 above the horizontal. So for part A, it asks the horizontal and vertical component of the initial velocity. It simply asks for ux and uy. So from here, automatically we know that ux is 30 cos and 30 sine 30. Just simply press your calculator, you will get 25.98 meter per second. Okay, so that's for part A. Part B, it asks the velocity when the height is 5 meters above the ground. So height sy above the ground, therefore it's above the initial point, positive, before it reaches maximum height. So if I want to label this height, it should be somewhere before the maximum height. Okay, that's it, somewhere there. So that's the V that I'm looking for. So if you look, V is not Vx on Vy. Therefore, we need to find V by using this equation. Okay? Vx will always equal to Ux. Therefore, we have the value for Vx already. All we need to do is find Vy. So let's do SUVAT analysis. We are doing y component, so let's do y. So Sy here is positive 5 meter, uy we have 15, vy is what we're going to find, ay is negative 9.81. We don't have any information regarding time. The most suitable equation is the one without time, which is the second one here. Vy is, okay, make sure you label y. Substitute the value. Okay, so you get Vy 11 is 5. Okay, but this is not the final answer. V is substitute value of Vx, value for Vy, and square root all of them, and you get 28.32 meter per second. Okay, so that's the velocity when s is equals to 5 meter above the ground. Part C, it asks you maximum height at that point. Okay, so meaning it projects up to here. So the maximum height is here. Okay, so height is something to do with y component. So basically you need to find Sy here. Vy equals to 0 and Vx will always equal to Ux. Okay, Vx equals to Ux is throughout the projection. So let's do SUVAT analysis. So Sy is what we're going to find, Uy is there, Vy is 0, Ay is equal to this. Time we don't have, so the most suitable one is the one without time, therefore the second equation. B squared U squared plus 2as. Make sure you label the y component since you are doing the y component. Substitute all the value. You will get Sy equals to 11.4. Part D asks the time of flight. I mean the total time for the golf ball to travel from here initially up until it hits the ground. Let's do SUVAT analysis. Sy is 0. Okay, because the initial and final point are on the same level. Okay, Uy is 15. Vy you don't have information, so Ay equals to negative. And so S equals to ut. You level everything. 0, 15, you will get time equals to 3.06 seconds. Actually, there's another way where you use Sy equals to maximum height. to use this information, therefore your time will be from here to here. So what you need to do, when you use SY maximum height, multiply it with 2, because time here to here is the same as time from here to here. Then we get the same answer as this. Okay? At E, we ask a range of the projectile, the horizontal distance, or you need to find SX. Let's do SUVAT analysis. SX is what you will find. UX is equals to 25.98 meters per second. Here, Vx, you don't have any information, you're getting V here. AX equals 0, and time we find in the previous question. This is the time of flight, which synchronized with the horizontal distance here. So the most suitable equation is last one here. So let's use tree level X here and substitute. You will get 79.5